How do I turn on/off airplane mode in an iPhone?
Hello there. In this video, we're going to learn how to turn on and off airplane mode on your iPhone. This is a simple yet essential feature to master, especially for those who travel frequently.
What is airplane mode?
Airplane mode is a setting on many smartphones, including iPhones, that disables many of the device's signal transmitting functions. This includes the ability to make or receive calls, send or receive text messages, and use data.
How to turn on airplane mode?
Here's how to turn on airplane mode. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Step 2. Open the control center. For iPhones with Face ID, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. For iPhones with home buttons, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Step 3. You'll see an airplane icon. Tap on the airplane icon to turn on airplane mode. When it's on, the icon will be highlighted.
How to turn off airplane mode?
Turning off airplane mode is as easy as turning it on. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Step 2. Open the control center just like before. Step 3. The airplane icon will be highlighted, indicating airplane mode is on. Tap on the airplane icon again to turn off airplane mode. When it's off, the icon will not be highlighted.
Are there any other ways to toggle airplane mode?
Yes, you can also turn on and off airplane mode via the Settings app. Step 1. Open the Settings app from the home screen. Step 2. You'll see an option for airplane mode at the top of the list. It will show a switch next to it. Step 3. Tap the switch next to airplane mode to turn it on. The switch will turn green. To turn it off, tap the switch again. The switch will turn gray. And there you have it. Now you know how to turn on and off airplane mode on your iPhone. Whether you're getting ready for a flight or simply want to disconnect for a while, these steps will help you to manage your device's connectivity quickly and easily. Happy navigating!